Alright boys, what's good? I'm just going to do a quick trade recap on two of the trades I took today in the London session. We'll just get straight into it. Leading into the day, I was feeling a pretty mixed bias, to be honest. We were in between this 4-hour gap here. We were delivering out of this 4-hour gap, and then we're also sitting in between this 1 hour and this 1 hour. This was before this candle inversed all this shit, but we were trading in between these two. And what my thought coming to this was, we could either start delivering higher, like we could easily rebalance this more, or I was thinking we could maybe come down and sweep this low. I was at least trying to target this low, was my first trade idea, right? So coming into market open, wherever this is, up here. Coming into market open, we'll just go from here. We inversed this 2-minute gap, right? Like pretty much right off market open, 4 minutes in. But I knew, I had like a pretty strong feeling this was going to be a fake out. So, and I was, at this time I was looking for shorts. So I obviously waited, came up, like showed we weren't going high with this candle. After this candle I knew, like I had a good feeling where we were going shorter. And then after inversing this gap was where I took my first trade. I had stops just above here, I'm pretty sure, and my target was this 1 hour low that was in this 1 hour gap. I thought we could have swept that to go higher, and there's also daily open down here as well, so I thought this could have been a possible target to be hit. And look, it got pretty fucking close. We'll just play it out, I'll show you what happened. I almost got stopped down that first candle, and then we started delivering. So my stops here were at break even, and then we tapped, this next one was the low, we ended up tapping into this 1 hour gap, and this is when I started getting worried. So I brought my stops down to this low, I mean this high here was my stops. Break even was done for now, like we're already at break even, and then stops were down here after we came into this 1 hour low, because I wanted to secure as much profit as possible. This was on a fresh eval as well, so like it doesn't really matter, but it was still, in my eyes, this was still a good trade. Like I did think we could have possibly came down here, but I knew once we tapped this 1 hour gap I was going to move to the recent high just in case we did push up, and unfortunately we did, and ended up being stopped out of this candle in the next one. But then this was when my second trade came in, right? Delivering out of this 1 hour gap, we had this 2 minute inversion, and we had this unfilled 5 minute up here. And this trade was an A+ in my eyes. I fucking really liked this trade. It's at 1 to 2, just something short. And when I mean this was one of the most like edged TPs I've ever gotten in my fucking life, it was not okay. After this, our break even was at this high, and then I ended up moving stops. That was break even, but I also ended up moving stops just to this low here after that, and ended up securing a bit of profits, because literally, if you fucking look at this, we literally got edged by what? 6 fucking ticks. This trade like hurt me just a little bit, because I was like so confident in this. So fucking confident. And then that stopped us out in profit. Which, look, profit is profit. I was happy still to at least catch some profit for the day. But 2 trades that I thought were fucking 2 pretty solid trades in my eyes ended up getting one stopped at like pretty. I'd count this first trade as break even, because like I said, here was our entry, stopped just above there, I'm pretty sure. Had that there, and then we did run to this high actually. Oh, look, they're pretty much both the exact same. Like if I measure this out, got stopped in 23 ticks profit, and 28. So it was a rough day. It was a rough fucking day. And then if I show you what happened next, we ended up fucking, just play this out a bit. We end up fucking delivering, like, I'm pretty sure it was like nearly 600 fucking ticks to the fucking downside. Like, yeah, 629 ticks. Like, bro, we ended up taking everything, but we just wanted to, like, it was just kept on doing fake, not even fake outs. Like, this should have hit. This should have fucking hit. Like, 6 ticks is a fucking crazy edge. And I don't close my trades early. I let them hit stop loss, take profit, even if it's a break even. I let that shit hit. Like, it's just how I've learned to trade, and it's how I'll forever be trading. Like, yeah, I could have taken a lot more profits up here than I did down here, but I prefer to let it run, and it's taught me like better psychology overall. So that's why I didn't take profit there. I could have 6 ticks. I could have just gone, alright, I'm happy to close. But look, would have been nice, but I didn't. So that's fucking annoying. But yeah, these were 2 rough fucking, well, not even rough trades. They were just like 2 crazy edge. Like, you just got edged like a motherfucker. This still had 38 ticks to deliver, but the 6 tick one was crazy. Like, I was so fucking confident in this, and then we still didn't even hit it again. We retested it and just made equal fucking highs, which has left us, I guess, a good draw for New York session. If we can fucking somehow come all the way back up, which I don't doubt we could. But it's just fucking crazy. Like, I'm posting a video later of the live trade of this one, and you'll literally just see it all happen live. Like, it was just fucked. But that's a trade recap for the day. I'm going to be doing these every trading day that I do, just posting them up here for you guys. Hopefully you guys can learn something from it. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed. Yeah, that's pretty much it, eh?